In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your online store using Shopify. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to set up and run your online business with ease. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing store, these instructions will guide you through a basic customization process to enhance your store's aesthetic appeal and functionality. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's homepage. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and do so now. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that serves as the central hub of your online store operations. This is where you can manage products, orders, and even dive into analytics. For today's task, we're focusing on the look and feel of your store, which means heading over to the Themes section. Next, locate and click on the Customize button. This is a crucial step because the theme editor is where the magic happens. It's where you can modify the appearance of your store without needing any coding experience. Shopify offers a variety of free and paid themes that you can choose from, depending on your needs. Each theme provides unique layouts and design elements, so take some time to explore what's available if you haven't selected a theme already. Once you're in the customization interface, it's time to focus on one of the critical design elements of your store, the image banner. Find and click on the Image Banner section of the theme editor. The image banner is often the first thing your customers will see when they land on your page, making it essential to get it right. With a compelling image and clear messaging, your banner can effectively communicate your brand's value to your audience. After you've selected the image banner, pay attention to the buttons that accompany it. These buttons are vital for guiding your visitors' journey through your site. They could lead customers to different products, sales, or more information about your brand. Adjust the button text to be concise yet descriptive, ensuring it accurately reflects the action you want your visitors to take. Consistency in style and tone across all your buttons helps maintain a cohesive look and feel for your site. Throughout this process, remember that previewing your changes is essential. Before you publish any modifications, take advantage of the preview feature. It's an excellent way to see how your adjustments will look on both desktop and mobile interfaces since many shoppers are now browsing on their phones. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step guide to customizing your Shopify store. With these tweaks, your store will not only be aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and user-friendly, helping you attract and retain more customers. Make sure to save your changes before exiting, and when you're satisfied, publish your new layout so visitors can see your work. Happy selling!